Hi guys, Gretchen here, Possum Fun and Frugal. I wanted to show you how I fixed my own toilet. Well, it's a minor fix, but I did it with a little help from my mom. So I'll turn the camera around and show you what I did. Proud of myself. I fixed my own toilet. So this is the old hose. This is what they provided. This is what came factory. This hose was supposed to go to here. And it kept popping off, and the water was just filling into the tank. And this is supposed to be your fancy Kohler toilet. Just got it a few years ago. And every so often this thing would just pop off and I would fit it back in there. It would stay for a while, then it would pop back off. Finally, my mom gave me a hose. It's a fish tank hose, so I was able to pull that off. I actually had to cut it and then pull the rest of it off of there. And this was a little smaller in diameter, so I used the piece that I cut off of here to put the hose into, then into this, because it wasn't going to stay. So now it's in there, it's not coming out, and it flows perfectly. Quick and easy fix, no money required. And the only tool I needed was a pair of scissors to cut the hose.